Hey viewers, I'm staying over in Canterbury and this is the Airbnb apartment that I've rented. The main entrance here leads straight to the living room. Two switches here. I think all the switches and outlets here, almost all of them are among the BG Nexus series. The one on the left, it's actually off now because it's on a two-way circuit. This one goes to the upstairs lights, but my mom is fast asleep, so I'd better not do it now. And the one on the right goes to 6 downlights in the living room. And this is what the downlight is like. This is pretty box standard British downlight, made by Enlite, which as far as I know has been rebranded as Aurora in the recent years. It runs on a GU10 light bulb, so it's not an integrated fixture. It's got a bit of an old hat design, because it's got 3 protrusions out of the inner ring, obviously for the convenience of replacing light bulbs. And yes, it is fire rated, but it's not waterproof. Obviously, we don't need waterproof lamps in the living room. And we have this type of downlight almost throughout the flat. And this is a lighted Christmas tree, which runs on 3 AA batteries. So by turning it to the first notch, it's on flashing mode. And if we turn it to the second notch, it's steady on, which I personally prefer. And we've got a lovely table lamp here. It's got a B22 socket there. And it's got a bit of a push switch here. So this is off, and if we push the other side, it's on, and this bit sticks out. And this one's interesting. I'm not sure if these are real books or not. And this is a E27. It's got a LED filament here, and obviously they have to stick the wire all the way up, poking that hole through the books. And look at the cable here. That one's a bit interesting as well because it's spiral. It's got a switch here. And there's the floor lamp, which is also with a E27 socket and with a LED filament. Unfortunately, these 2 switches are upside down. So we flip the switch this way to turn the light on. So the one on the left goes to the light here in this little corner here. And the one on the right goes to the toilet. 2 downlights plus that fan. The fan's on an overrun timer, so if you turn it off, the light goes out, but the fan keeps running for a set amount of time. And there's the fan isolator if you want to service the fan or just want to stop the fan early. Or turn the lights on without the fan. I'll turn the isolator back on. This is the kitchen and dining room. We got 3 skylights here. Unfortunately, this is not my house, and I'm moving out today, which is a bit of a shame. What's interesting here is that we got 2 architrave switches here. I'm not sure what make that is though. Anyone who knows, please let me know. The one on the one here goes to the wall uplighters in the dining area. It creates no shadows, but it's a bit dim. And the lower one here goes to the kitchen downlights. And we got a kitchen extractor here. So this is how it works. When it turns on, it rises up and then turns on. And it's got 4 selectable speeds as well. So this is low. Or if you want to turn it off, press the power button and the whole thing just retracts into place and turns off, which is really interesting. The one on the left seems to do nothing, and the one on the right goes to the outside light, which when switched on is further controlled by a motion sensor. Back at the main entrance, the one on the left goes to the stairwell lights. We got 4 downlights there. And we got a second switch here. The one on the right goes to the lights and a fan in the loo. Those 2 are the only 2 different ones. Are the only 2 that are different from the rest of the apartment, because those 2 are IP65 rated. But these 2 are the same as the other ones. They're just IP20, not waterproof. and those ones are waterproof. And actually, the entire bathroom has to be fitted with waterproof lights, IP65, or probably in zone 2, we can go with IP44. Probably the homeowner did them on their own, just like DIYers. They probably didn't hire Sparks to do it. So that was an obvious mistake. I'll turn it on. And this is what happens when I turn the light off. The fan keeps running. And there's the fan isolator if you want to stop the fan. And this is the second bedroom. There's the only switch, which goes to all of the 4 downlights. I don't really like it, having those lights right above the bed, which means it's just not possible to have the lights on when there's someone in the bed. And same for the master's bedroom here as well. Just a bit wider. Got 4 downlights there and just one switch. Right, that's the end of the video. We're almost moving out, and I hope you've enjoyed it. Bye-bye.